In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get an extra $50 to spend on Cash App if you run out. Cash App is a full service banking and investing app. You have a cash balance, savings, Bitcoin, stocks, paychecks, all that good stuff. A card where you can spend your cash balance and get discounts along with peer-to-peer payments. Now they have a new feature called Overdraft coverage. Basically this means if your cash balance is zero, you can get an extra $50 to spend if you need to. If you haven't signed up for this feature yet, there will be an icon right under the cash balance. So I'm going to switch to show you what that looks like real quick. So I'm going to tap turn on free overdraft coverage under my cash balance. This is going to show some of my banking information. And then you can see right under my cash balance, I can turn on free overdraft coverage. So in order to be eligible for this, you need to deposit at least $300 in paychecks each month. You can check out my tutorial video for how to do that if you're interested. Then once you turn this on, you'll be able to spend with your card. You can spend $50 more than you even have in your app. And then the next time you receive a paycheck, it'll just take that $50 away, or however much you spent over the amount in your balance. From here, you just need to tap turn on. I don't really want to do this, so I'm just gonna tap maybe later. And to get back to this screen, just tap the cash balance at the top. Then right under that, you're gonna see overdraft coverage. You can turn this on. So there's how to turn on overdraft coverage, get $50 that you kind of spend extra above your balance as you wish. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.